From all the growth tools that Chatfuel provides, the comment auto reply still remains one of the best. With the comment auto reply, we can automatically reply to Facebook comments. Or we can reply if the comment matches some keywords. In this video, I will explain how we can automatically reply with our chatbot to Facebook comments. So I've already set up a Facebook post on my Facebook page, and it's just really simple. Who wants our secret dessert recipe? Reply with yes. And that's basically all there is to it. But how do we make sure that if someone replies with yes, they automatically get a message inside Messenger? So if we head over to our Chatfuel dashboard, you will just go to flows, and for now we will select our secret dessert recipe. And you might think, like, okay, we already made the secret dessert recipe flow, we can use that flow again. And that's not true. And that's because if we would use this flow for the comment auto reply, it would only send the first message. Because you can only send one message, and that message can contain some text and buttons. But if the user doesn't engage with that message, you cannot send a second message. So in this example of the secret dessert recipe flow, it will only send this message, but not this one. And that's the one we need to proceed further. So in order to make this right for the comment auto reply, we will just hit those three dots and we will click on copy, and we'll copy it to the same bot, and we will copy it to the restaurant flow group, and we can click on copy flow. So here we have a copy, and we will rename it to secret dessert recipe Facebook comments. So when we click on that, we will change the flow a little bit. So we will add a message, which will be text plus buttons, with the question, hey, first name, do you want our secret dessert recipe? And if they click, and then we can add a button, and the button will be yes, of course. And then we select it to the next one, and we will remove this one. So we'll delete the text card. So now the first message you will get is, hey, first name, do you want a secret dessert recipe? And if they click on yes, of course, then they need to type in their email. So we also need to set this as the starting step, which is important. And now we can set the comment auto reply. So if you can click on this icon right here, and then click on comments auto reply. And the comments auto reply can trigger on every post on your Facebook page or only on specific posts. For this example, we only want it to trigger on one specific post, but you can also trigger it for all your posts. That's really up to you. So apply the rule to specific posts, and we can select the posts. So here's just an overview of all your posts. You can click on the ones that you want to select, click on add, and you can also select multiples, and then we can reply to specific keywords. And because we set in our message reply in our Facebook post reply with yes, we will only want to trigger this flow if someone types in yes. So when that happens, we can drag this, and then automatically a new element will appear. And then we can set two replies. One is the reply inside the comment section. So that would be like here, that the Facebook page automatically replies to the comment. So let's set that first. So we can also set a delay of seconds or minutes or hours. So we will not do that, but you can use it. Check your inbox. And then we'll add a nice icon. And then we also have the private reply inside Messenger. And we can just set it to, hey, first name, do you want our secret dessert recipe? And then we can add yes, of course, like we did before. And then we'll add this to that. Why do we set two different ones? Could be the case that you also want to use this flow elsewhere, and if you want to use this flow elsewhere, this message will be sent as starting one, and otherwise this message will be sent as starting one. So really, that's the difference between the two. So now we need only to enable it. So now it's enabled. Also, I must mention, we're not going to do this right now, but you can also make a different comment for separate keyword groups. So we now have two keywords groups, one for yes and one for all other comments, and you can also specify different messages for that. So you know that's possible. So now if you go back to Facebook and I reply with my personal profile with yes, then automatically Chatfuel sends me a messenger, send me a message in Messenger, hey Joran, do you want our secret dessert recipe? And when I click on yes, of course, just click on the button below or type in your preferred email address. Then it goes to my email, and then okay, here's where you can get the recipe. So that's how you set up an automatic reply to Facebook posts with Chatfuel. If you want more videos on how you can use chatbots in your marketing, please subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't done this yet, also click the like button below.